Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new app or open an existing one. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the Firebase console. Click Create a Project and give it a name. Once your project is ready, click on the gear icon next to the project name and select Project Settings. Scroll down to the section called Your Apps. Click the web app icon to register a new web app. Copy the configuration code that Firebase gives you. This code contains your API key, project ID, and other details. Now go back to AI Studio. In your project, create a new file called firebase.ts. Paste the configuration code there and initialize Firebase and Firestore. Export the Firestore object so you can use it in your components. Next, we need to enable Firestore. In Firebase console, click Firestore Database and choose to create a database. Select Test Mode and pick a location for your database. Back in AI Studio, open a component where you want to use the database. Import the Firestore object from firebase.ts. Then, write two functions. One function saves data using add_doc and a collection name. The other function reads data using getDocs and displays it in the console or on the screen. Finally, run your app. Click the buttons to save and read data. Thanks for watching.